Hello campers and RVers. Today I'm going to replace the straps on my battery boxes. They get worn out when you're going down the road or being out in inclement weather, and the tail ends of them tend to fray when they're in the wind and all that. Anyways, they're made out of polypropylene, so they don't last forever. I was able to pick up a package of them, 2 packages actually, for about $10 a piece at a camping store, and gonna go ahead and replace them. So the straps come with this hardware and screws and stuff, and you can use these anchors to anchor down the straps onto the battery box, but I don't need to do it because there's an indentation here on the battery box, and that just works just fine. So I'll save these for another project or just keep them on hand when something breaks in the rig. So to put the straps on, you just put it through the bottom and loop it around, then put it through both of these holes, through this, hole here, and then you want to feed it through both of these teeth. It's not the easiest thing to do, but you can do it if you just take your time. So that one's done, and I'll do the other one. If you can remember, I had these bungee cords on both of these battery boxes because the other ones were falling apart. But even the bungee cords fall apart too, and it does not look aesthetically pleasing to have these on your battery boxes. So recommend just going and replacing them with the new straps. So we'll go ahead and tackle the next side. So I got both of them in, but I found out that the tail on this is very short. So apparently they have different sizes, which I didn't know. Anytime I do a project, I learn something. So apparently they have different sizes. This is the only size they had at the camping store I was at, so that's what I purchased. The tail isn't all that long to be able to really give it a good tug. The other thing is these little plastic things are a royal pain in the neck. I mean, royal pain, and that's why I did this video to try to show you how to do this, because I'm always struggling to try to figure out how to do this, and it never really works like the directions say, and I'm just not sure why. But anyways, when you put the strap through and then through the teeth, it's supposed to tighten as you're pulling it. But I'm thinking what the problem was when I was doing it and why it took so long is because these two things, if they're not the little plastic things, if they're not together, then you're not making a good contact, I suppose. But anyways, it's not worth taking these back to the store. I'm not even in the same town that I purchased them, so they'll do for now. The next time I replace them, I'll just ensure that I get something that's larger than 39 inches. Well, campers and RVers, that'll wrap up today's project. Something so simple I thought was going to just take me a couple of minutes to do ended up taking definitely a little longer. You just can't get frustrated. You have to take breaks and then walk away and come back and try it again until you get it done. So I hope this was helpful, and thanks so much for watching.